MaryAnn Allen from Arepa TX. I am one of the owners and also the executive chef. Cooking is probably my biggest passion, always has been. I started cooking when I was about 14 years old, and I found that I loved it since then and haven't stopped. Arepa TX is Latin cuisine. You will find foods from all over South America, nice and fresh and crisp, just like we do it at home. Everything cooked from scratch and perfect. When we started Arepa, we had to consider that a lot of people don't know what an arepa is. So I wanted to have a menu that was friendly, that people would recognize. We also found that we didn't have to stick to only Colombian, Venezuelan fillings. For example, one of our biggest sellers is our rajas. Our rajas are very Mexican, but very, very delicious. From charring the poblanos to mixing it with our homemade green salsa and a splash of cream. We fill that and got an array of textures and flavors. It's very, very good. We can have all the fillings that you're putting in an arepa inside a beautiful soft corn or flour tortilla. And we can also put it in a bowl for you. We have vegan options, we have vegetarian options, we have everything for everybody. But for me, it's very important that you leave happy, that you've liked what you ate, and that it's, you recognize that you're eating fresh food.